Okay, we started this one. It's tonight, 28 September, whatever. Okay, and then okay. All right. So, hello, we're live. It's 28 September 2025, Sunday night. We're gonna unbox that thing there. This is a story about the CS-R1. And for those of you that are watching the reel, which this is going to produce hopefully, I am talking out loud, and this is the backup. That's the backup right there. It's called YouTube, okay? So in case you can't hear me, I am talking out loud, all right? I'm talking like that. So it's, once again, wait. Come on, there we go. See that? It's, oh, you can't see it. There, it's that time of day. Alright, so here we are. So now I'm going to put this on the tripod and I'm going to get to it. Okay? So here we go. Let's see here. Did I wave the camera around? Oh, by the way, let me just digress here. Finally got a new, this is the other room. Finally made me a brand new shelving. So, got that going. YouTube won't see that. Okay, so now let's throw this up here in the tripod. Alright, so, yep. Okay, so, get up in here. There's that. And about there. Great, so, let me get to it. I've got this one down here playing ever so softly because it's on the radio.
That's quite a gift. Does your mom often do things?
That works, alright. Because it's on the radio, anyway. Okay, so one more thing before I get all into this one. This one here, let's see here. Well, hard to see, hard to show. Let's see if I got my pocket flashlight. If I can show you with this here. Let's see here. Well, I don't know if you can see that head in there, but the head is broken. Hey, it's unright. Really hard to show you like that. I'll show you too as well. Just well, the flashlight is okay. Come on, stop that. Here we go. The head is broken. Hey, can you see that? Hopefully you can. So much for that. So anyway, that one's broken. This one doesn't work right. And so, hopefully the third one's a charm. Okay? This, I think, is a green or teal or something colored one. I don't know. I can't remember. It came from... So, and then, of course, here, this. Nothing to shake. A little bit shake. A little bit of movement, that is. But it is what it is. All right, so... The reason why I'm doing this now is because I've got to get this extra packing material out in the recycle. So I go out tomorrow morning and I've got one more huge box to open, but I'll do that maybe later this evening after I do my other bit of stuff. Right, so here this is. There's that box. I'll probably save that box, it's a long one. I've got a lot of these that I've repaired that, anyway, so here we go. Interesting, they use paper tape. Rare to see paper tape, but oh well. Right, so, but they did a really nice packaging job with the bubble wrap here, as I got a lot of it on here. And I use bubble wrap as well, and I use this much as well. Of course, I use a proper sized box, but it won't shake as you move it. All right, so here it is. It's green. I said teal, but oh well. So it's green. We can throw this out of here. Great. Put this there. Well, this is very pretty. Okay, it's got a little bit of whatever. It's got the, yeah, so all the pieces are here. Let's see here, the battery cover is, okay, that can be cleaned. The reason why I like this model is because it has dual motors. It has one motor for the rewind and fast forward, and then what people don't realize is why it will play, when you put a cassette in, it'll play fast forward and rewind, but it won't play. And that's because it has one belt, and that one belt operates the capstan only. And if that belt breaks, you can fast forward and rewind it, but the capstan won't be rotating, so it'll only pull the tape through without the heads actually doing any work, right? So, and this is auto reverse deck, so let's see, can we open the cassette deck door? We can. The door is solid. It's off kilter just a bit, but the head is completely there. Like now, this power supply has got a little wonkiness on it. It might cut out. Okay, so there. The motor is running, and it's constantly running. I'm not going to play this long. There's the radio.
My ground. Gen Max.
Both channels work. That was FM, this is AM. So we're good like that.
Okay. Argue and debate over the dumb stuff.
Put the tape off, hit eject, and we can hit. So that doesn't work. That doesn't work. Can't hit stop because the tape deck hasn't finished its cycle. So the only way we can stop this motor running, here, yes, here. Can you hear the motor running? Hear it running? If I unplug it, you watch here. I'll unplug it. No running. So plug it back in. All right. Oh, motor stopped. Yay. So let's see here. Won't do anything. Okay, well that was, yep, there it goes. Guess the door had to be closed. Who knows? Anyway, having too much fun here. Okay. At least this one's in much better condition than this other one here. And that's all I know. So we're going to end this here. I'm much happier about this one. Don't fall. Okay, so we had fun, you've had fun. I started this one first, and I explained to the peoples, explained to these peoples here, let's see here, explained to these peoples that this has got audio, and the reel in this one may not have audio, but the full video will have audio. Okay, we got that? You understand that? Alright, good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching, bye-bye.